What's up, YouTube? The Green Handyman here with another show-off video for you guys. And this is an update for October of 2018. And you guys might recognize these doors. They were part of a YouTube upload I did about 2 years ago. And thus far I've gotten about 29,000 views on it. Now this is an off-the-shelf wardrobe door from IKEA. Now normally when you buy closet doors, you would buy a closet door that closely matched the opening you have. Well, that shit wasn't going to work here, so I had to actually build the structure around to match the door, so measurement here is critical. But this video is not about that. This video is about what type of closet system was installed behind these doors. So I'll let you have a look here. Now everything in here was hand fabricated, built from scratch. There's no off-the-shelf components here. This is all done with a hacksaw and a butter knife, kinda. This is a vertical support system with cantilevered shelves, upholstered back panels, and as you can see, this is a two-tier system with plenty of room for all your gear. If you live in Orlando and you'd like to have something like this for your crib, please reach out to me and let me know. Please comment, like, and subscribe.